Okay, I mixed up 10 ounces of Craftor resin, epoxy resin. I'm using this really cute jar mold, and we're gonna try that white on the alcohol inks. So I'm using Cerulean and dark Indigo, and for my white, I'm using the Let's Resin Ocean White. So I mixed up 10 ounces. This jar will take 10 ounces. So I'm just gonna put, let me show you. I'm just gonna put a couple of drops of the white. I don't want it like totally opaque. So 2 little drops like that, and we'll see where that gets us. Okay, so with it being a white stick, you really can't tell, but I'll do it with this. See, you can still see the stick. So it's pretty translucent. And we'll see how that goes. We'll do it this way so you can see what's going on. And basically, I'm just gonna drop these in there and then start adding some white. So I think what I'll try to do is go along the sides. Try and drop a few drops in there on the different sides. And then we'll start pouring some white. And now we'll just switch sides. I did about 5 drops. And then pour. Probably pouring about 1/2 of an ounce. And then we'll do some of this over here, some of this over here. And I'm just kind of mixing it up a little. And I'm making a mess. And then we'll do it again here. And we'll do it one more time. We'll see what happens. That's all I'm gonna put in there. Just gonna fill it up. Well, that should be pretty wild. Okay, let's do this one. And I'm just gonna put a few drops in of each color. And then pour the white. Takes the whole 10 ounces. So I have to try to see if there's an air bubble in there. Okay, let's finish filling that one up. Okay. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat mat on and we'll come back to demold. Alright, let's demold this. Let's see what we got. Let's see. A little alcohol in there, but I really don't want to. Well, I might have to pull it over next to me. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, let's spray a little alcohol in there. Oh, there we go. There we go. Woo! Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Woohoo! That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. That turned out amazing. Let me get this out. There we go. Ooh. That is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it. Let's see how the lid came out. Oh, I have this heat mat on here. I don't really want it sitting on the heat mat. If this came out just as pretty. it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Super cool. No bubbles. I did good. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh man, I love it. Gorgeous. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this was so simple, and I love the results. It turned out so pretty, and the colors really matched well, and it just, I absolutely love it. And I don't think the camera gives it any justice. But anyway, thanks for being at the tag team today. And up first was August from August Acrylic Art, and then Tanya with Creations with Tanya. Love you guys. Thanks so much for being here. And I will see you next week.